Is it time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore the SPY ETF in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 29th of April, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You will not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 25th of April, 2025, our system has ranked SPY as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.91. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this timeframe. The ETF has experienced a gain of 0.67%. This equates to an average return of 0.22% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 14% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 26% to negative 14%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 8.5%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 2.28% to 21.78% over the coming year. In future terms, this would place the projected price somewhere between $541.66 and $675.05. Our latest daily update for SPY includes the headline: SPY ETF price ended at $554.32 on Tuesday, after gaining 0.63%. The SPY ETF price gained 0.63% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 29th of April, 2025, rising from $550.85 to $554.32. It has now gained for 6 consecutive days. It is uncommon for an ETF to achieve such a streak, and a decline for a day or two should be anticipated. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 1.26%, ranging from a day low of $548.55 to a day high of $555.49. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.82% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has risen on the last day alongside the price, which is a promising technical indicator, with a total of 365,000 more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 47 million shares changed hands for approximately $26 billion and $20 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $613.23, while the lowest price was $481.80. Currently, the price is 9.61%, or $58.91, below the 52-week high of $613.23, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments surrounding the S&P 500, particularly in light of President Trump's second term, have created notable volatility in the market. The index has experienced one of its steepest declines in recent history, mirroring sharp drops last seen during Nixon's era. However, sector performance reveals a resilient recovery, particularly driven by the technology sector, as significant rebound gains underscore a complex market landscape influenced by changing tariffs. Corporate earnings reports are reflecting the impacts of these tariffs, with mixed results thus far. Simultaneously, economic indicators such as the job openings and labor turnover survey report show a decrease, yet the S&P 500 has rebounded from session lows, indicating investor resilience despite economic signals hinting at slower growth. Adding to the mix, a rare bullish signal has emerged on Wall Street, historically associated with potential double-digit gains for the S&P 500 in the coming months. However, this positivity faces headwinds, as HSBC has lowered its S&P target significantly, citing persistent inflation and economic uncertainties. In the short term, these factors suggest a choppy trading landscape, which could lead to heightened volatility. In the long term, persistent economic challenges will likely weigh on growth prospects and valuations. Investors will need to stay vigilant around earnings reports and continuing geopolitical developments as they navigate this turbulent market environment. The following signals have been identified for SPY. The chart today reveals predominantly positive signals. The SPY ETF displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting an optimistic outlook for the ETF. However, there exists a general sell signal due to the long-term average being higher than the short-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at $539.85 and $546.78. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and since then, the price has increased by 11.65%. Further growth is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal is indicated by the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 15 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 15 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 44 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 44 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 36 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at 548 and 6200ths, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund exhibits average daily movements, and with favorable trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the fund fluctuated $6.94 between its high and low, which is 1.26%. In the past week, the fund has averaged a daily volatility of 1.3%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $555.92. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a key level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY faces its first support level at $548.62. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $530.81, reflecting a decrease of 4.24%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits medium daily fluctuations, which indicates a medium level of risk. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 14 days ago. Is the SPY ETF a good buy? Several short-term indicators are positive. Despite the ETF currently being in a downward trend, we believe that this level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the ETF to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 30th of April, we expect SPY to open lower by $1.54, beginning trading at $552.79. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.